Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today, on What's on the Porch, I have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for January. And it's in a pretty flowered purple bag. Y'all know I love me some purple. And I also have an add-on that I picked up from their sale, and it's already been delivered. Which is shocking, but maybe the world is righting itself with all of the shipping troubles. Cute little bag. Love the purple little flowers. That's super cute. The card says, "The year of you. Forget reinvention. Throw resolutions out the door. Never mind starting over." Love that. Okay, so we're going to start off with this Mint Biology Nourishing Mask. Drench and Smooth. This is ceramide, NP, and ferment extracts for all skin types. It's supposed to be clean beauty, instant glow, and there are 5 intensive care masks here. These retail for $29.99, and this was one of my choices that I chose. It has Fermented Filtrate Trio in it, ceramide NP, niacinamide, and sodium hyaluronate. I always love a good mask. The next item was also one of my choices, and this is the Half-Caked Star Bright Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. This retails for $18, and I believe that I chose this because I didn't quite care for any of the other choices. Super cute packaging. It comes with a little puff and a mirror. That's really nice. And it looks like it has one of those cushioned dispensers. Is that what you would call it? It's got the safety seal on it. I'm not going to pull it off, but that's super cute. I am going to put this in your giveaway box, which is another reason why I chose it. When I don't see things that I necessarily like for myself, I try to pick things that I think y'all might like to put in your giveaway box. The next item that I chose, if I don't break it, is this Earth Arbor Oasis Deep Pore Gel Cleanser. I have been having some issues lately with cleansers, believe it or not. They have really been drying out my skin and causing, you see this dry patch right here? It's like they're stripping my skin. So fortunately though, I can tell pretty quickly, you know, if it's drying out my skin, and I can quit using it. But I know that my skin does really well with gels, so I thought maybe that this might be gentle for my skin. This retails for $18, and it's a deep pore gel cleanser. It has a botanical BHA in it. I don't know if the BHA will cause me an issue, but I'm going to give it a try. It says gentle and non-stripping, low foaming formula, which the products that foam in the past have never bothered me, and I don't think it's the foaming, because I have used a few non-foaming products that really felt like they were stripping my skin. So, and then the 2 items that they chose for me, one is the Tarte Drink of H2O, which I already have. I got this in a BoxyCharm box. This is the Risk Now that IPSY and BoxyCharm are essentially all one company. This is a really nice moisturizer though. I'm not sure if I will keep it. I really do like it, the one that I have, but I have so many products and it is not sealed. It has an amazing smell to it. Does it have the little... It does. It has a cap in it that sits, let's see if I can get that. There we go. It just came off in the top. It has a very fresh scent, and it really is a nice product. I will probably put this in your giveaway box. And then they also picked for me this Fleur and Bee Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum. It is brightening and 10% vitamin C. I didn't tell you what the price of the tart was $29. And the price of this Nectar of the Sea is $46. And it says it has 11 nourishing actives: vitamin C, jojoba oil, aloe vera, vitamin B3, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, safflower oil, squalene, pink grapefruit oil. And it says that it's citrusy, smooth serum that will give you brighter, glowing skin, diminishing the look of dark spots and wrinkles. And how much vitamin C? It's got 10% vitamin C in it. So I've been learning some stuff about vitamin C. I will be doing a future video on that, and I will hold on to this to use in that video to explain what I'm talking about. So that was all of the items in my Glam Bag Plus. Have I been saying Glam Bag X? What have I been saying? What have I got? No, I do not want free bags. I want you to take me back. Glam Bag Plus. Hopefully I've been saying Glam Bag Plus. They also sent me Refreshment's Breezy Deodorant. This is Eucalyptus Julep. And I can't remember if they offered this as just a free gift because, you know, they're really pushing for everybody to try this. It smells phenomenal. I have a lot of trouble with deodorants that are said to be clean, and this says clean promise, always vegan and free of parabens. The problem is a lot of the companies use baking soda, and there's another product in the clean deodorants, and I prefer a clean deodorant because I do not want all the bad juju that most deodorants have. But the baking soda and whatever that other product is irritates my underarms like you would not believe. I'm really struggling to find one that works. Lumi didn't work. What's the other one that's so popular that you can get in Walmart now? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I can't do that one either. Right now I'm trying the Kapari. I'm irritated, but I don't know whether it was that or something else. I don't know what's going on, but I will let y'all know whether or not this is irritating to my skin. And the other item that I got, that I picked up in their add-on shop, is this Danessa Myricks Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette. It's such a pretty palette, and I am wearing it. I am wearing this shade, which is Tease. I did try a little of the pink on top, which is XOXO, but it goes on really easy. I don't remember what the MSRP is on this palette, but I got it for $14. I was excited to give it a try because I'm really starting to enjoy the cream products. So that is my Glam Bag Plus, and the value of my bag is $140.99. I paid $25 for my bag. I signed up for a year. My subscription is going to renew in February 1st actually. I think I'm going to continue. We shall see. So thanks for hanging out with me and watching me unbox my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I am getting really close to 1,400 subscribers, so if you're new here and you enjoy my content, I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. And before you go, make sure that you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, maybe instead of giving you beauty tips, I should give you fishing tips. Or tell you fishing lies. Doodah. Doodah. I don't know where that came from. It just popped up into my head. Okay, Mama loves you, boo.